Welcome to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and it's great to have you here today. We are going to make a White Cuban. Now, as the name suggests, it is a variation of the classic White Russian cocktail. Now, that cocktail has 3 ingredients, and that is usually a coffee liqueur, vodka, and some heavy cream. Now, the White Cuban does things slightly different, and we add an extra ingredient, and it's just a minor amount just to adjust the flavoring. Now, with this cocktail, you start with a little bit of a Cuban rum. I'm using a Havana Club 3-year-old. You could use any type of rum that you want, even something that's aged slightly. And if you do try it like that, let me know down in the comments down below, because I'm curious to see what your result will be and how you would adjust the other ingredients by either ratio or type of ingredient, because I'm curious to see where you go with this. Now, I am going to use a little bit of Kahlua coffee liqueur. This is 16% ABV. The Havana Club is 40% ABV. You also need a little bit of a 1-to-1 simple syrup. This is 1 part water, 1 part sugar. Heat it up till it goes clear and it's fully incorporated, and you're good to go. You also need, of course, a little bit of heavy cream or whipping cream. Now, I'm using a 33% whipping cream. You don't have to. You could use milk, or you could use a half and half, depending upon your preferences. Now, one of the things I'm going to try and add to my videos is the fact that dairy is an allergen. So you could substitute in something like an oat milk or some kind of almond milk or something like that, or an almond cream, to get around those, what do you call them? Allergens. So, something new I want to add, leave that comment down below too if you think you like that. Now, this is a stirred cocktail, which is a little bit different than you would normally make it. So we are going to start with your rum, and we're going to do a full pour of 2 ounces or 60 mils. We're going to follow this up with your coffee liqueur, and you could use something that's a little bit less sweet. If you do that, you may need to adjust the amount of simple syrup that you use. You could take it up or down, or use even a rich simple syrup, which would give you twice the sugar. Now, we're gonna use a total of 1 ounce or 30 mils. Your third ingredient for this is going to be your simple syrup. Now, you do not need a lot of this. Really, you just need a teaspoon, which is 5 mils, or basically 1 bar spoon. All right, your next step is to actually fill this with some ice. We're gonna fill this about halfway. And the reason I say that is we're stirring it at first. Now, you could actually just shake this if you want. It'd be quicker and faster, totally up to you. My recipe calls for stirring it though. And you wanna stir it for 20 to 30 seconds until you hit the dilution and the temperature that you want. And you can just tell that temperature by touching the side of the glass here. Okay, so we'll put that right there, put this off to the side, and grab your favorite rocks glass. Now, this is a 10-ounce, 300 ml glass. We're just going to add a couple of cubes. And what we'll do is we'll just, using our Hawthorne strainer, although you could use your julep strainer as well, just pour it in. So what you want to do now is you want to grab your heavy cream or your milk or whatever. I'm going to give it a slight shake. It just aerates it slightly. And we need about 1 ounce. And to make my pouring easier, I'm just going to fill half this 2-ounce jigger. And I'm then going to, this just gives me control when I pour it in. I'm going to use my spoon, and I'll just layer it in gently. And here you have a beautiful looking White Cuban. You have a gorgeous black coffee color base, the nice cream on top, and absolutely 8.7 to look at. Gorgeous. Now, what I am going to do is I'm just going to give it a bit of a stir just to incorporate it slightly. Oh, it looks even better looking like that. That, a full 9.2, I think. Now let's give it a try. Oh, yes. The coffee is there, the rum is there. They work together so well in this cocktail. You have a little bit of sweetness, and this is a slightly sweeter cocktail. Be aware of that. And if you feel like omitting this, you can do that too. Fantastic. 9.6. This is almost a 10. It's just maybe a little too sweet to make it a perfect 10. Having said that, if you like cocktails like this, take a look after the recipe card right over there.